We declare these 4 fabulous EV charging points in Bollington open.
Hooray! God bless all who charge. Connected Curbs electric vehicle evolution has arrived here in Bollington, Cheshire, where 4 brand new EV charging points have been installed at Poolbank Car Park in a bid to support residents unable to charge their electric vehicles at home. The installation is the result of a joint initiative between the Town Council and Transition Bollington. I'm here with Mayor Joe Maitland, Councillor John Weston and Ruth Tams from Transition Bollington. Councillor, can you tell me how this installation came about?
Yes, thanks Martin. We realised that we're in a town here, old mill town, and there are lots of terrace cottages in the mill town. Difficult for people to find a place to charge their car overnight with not having access to off-street parking. So we identified a site which was being used for recycling waste and moved it into a recharging bays for four electric vehicles. So we're expecting that when people see that there are charging points available to charge their cars overnight, they're going to have the confidence to go out and buy an electric vehicle and replace perhaps their second car initially. You know, we have a lot of families have 2 cars, but hopefully as time goes on and we roll out more of these charging points, confidence will grow, more and more people will make the switch.
Mayor Joe, do you think this deployment could be a blueprint for other areas of the country?
Oh, definitely, without doubt. It's actually quite difficult for town and parish councils to really act on their climate emergencies that they've declared, and what we've got here is volunteers, councillors and all of the sort of enthusiasm behind bringing projects like this together, working as a team. And the council are really useful enablers in projects like this. So we don't necessarily have lots of funds, but we do have sort of authority and those sorts of things, and we can bring all that together. So this has been a classic example of groups coming together with a shared goal and actually delivering for their communities.
Ruth, why is the transition to EV so important for Bollington residents?
Transition to EVs is really important in Bollington because we know the air quality isn't brilliant. It was wonderful in lockdown last year when nobody was driving around and we took a lot of readings, and now the air quality is reduced, particularly we've noticed. So it's very important that we change to EVs so we reduce the emissions